Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a backup of your data on Samsung Galaxy A57. Okay, to create a backup we gotta open up the settings and we can begin with Samsung Cloud Backup. If you want to use this method, you need to be signed in into your Samsung account. If you don't have an account, you can create it completely for free. Now, go into Samsung Cloud, tap on that. Now click on Backup this phone and select what things you want to backup. In my case, I would like to copy the contacts, settings, clock, messages, call logs, and the calendar. Now, if you have selected everything that you want, simply click on Backup Now. The whole process will start. In my case, it will take like 10 seconds because I didn't select apps. And when it says all data backup, you can click on Done. And that's basically all. Our backup is now safely stored in the cloud of our Samsung account. And for example, if you want to restart that backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the exact same Samsung account. When it comes to the second method, we can also create a backup using the Google account. Here, Google Drive, click on Backup Data. You need to be signed into your Google account, of course. In here, you need to select Photos and videos and other device data. Click on Confirm. Those two things need to be enabled. If you click on other device data, in here you can take a look into which Google account you are currently signed into. And just like with the Samsung account, if you want to restore the backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the exact same Google account. To create a backup, hit this green button. Also need to confirm by drawing the screen lock, and the whole process will begin. Okay, in here, as you take a look, a small circle has appeared and it's slowly fulfilling. When it disappears, it means that our backup has been successfully created. We'll also see a notification on the bottom of the screen. It might take a little bit, so I'm about to speed up the video. Okay, the backup has been successfully created. We can see it on the other device data that it has been created 0 minutes ago. If you tap on that, you can also see what things has been backupped. Okay, let's go back, and we can also create a backup and copy it into our external storage drive. Click on More and Continue, More and Allow. Now you can insert an SD card or connect a USB storage device. I'm about to use the USB storage, so I gotta connect it. Actually, no, insert it. Okay, I'll select backup to USB storage. It will scan for the data to backup. We gotta wait a little bit. And now in here you can select what things you want to copy. You can select everything. You can also see the estimated time. That will take about 17 minutes. You can also select just calls, contacts, and messages. And if you click on Custom, you'll be able to manually select what things you want to copy. I'll select only contacts and messages, then click on Next. To start the process, click on OK. It won't take long. In my case, of course. It depends on what you're copying. Okay, click on Next. All set, click on Done. And that is basically all. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.